Hey, good day, traders. Right, so this is the market review poll. Remember to go to marketwisetraders.com/market review poll and just vote there, and I will review the top two pairs, okay, that I voted for. So this week it was GU and UC that came up top, so I'm just going to have a look at those. So let's just have a look at GU first. I always love to use the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame, okay, just to see what is going on. So using the market maker already, just looking at this, I can see a completed cycle on H1, which is from over here. This was a peak formation low. There is a peak formation low. So let's just see the movement from there, what took place from this low, right? Let's just have a look. How many pips did this move? Okay, there was 360 pips. So it's a little bit more, but if you can see after this push, this hold for this whole day, I mean for these 1, 2, 3 days, that was just holding of a level. So really from here I can see, let me just mark this, right? I can see one definite push there, a moment of consolidation, and a second push there, but starting from this low. So although this exceeded ADR here, which is saying 270, and that's about 300 ADR, but this is the cycle. This is the market maker cycle from here. You can see this is one level, that's your second level, and then that was your peak high. So let's start counting from there and see what we have, right? This which was formed this past week. So the peak formation high right there. So looking at this, coming in Monday, because this is a peak formation high, whether you call this let's just see quickly, a triple top, or you want to call it head and shoulders, but basically you can see this pattern which was formed here, that was forming the high, forming an anchor point, and we've had one drop down. So this is a possible reset here at the 200 to continue bullish. But besides that, we should be bearish. We should be bearish coming into Monday, Tuesday. We should be bearish. But if the price breaks this 141.70 mark, then just be looking for bullish movement. Okay, that means this reset would have been confirmed. But other than that, we should be bearish. Look for sells, I would say, anywhere around this 141.20 mark. Look for sells there, and then take the sell and do not look back at that. Okay. Okay. Right. So just look for a sell anyway, 141.20. Look for a sell there, and you can take it even up to the 800 on H1, which is around 139.30. All right. So this is what I see for cable. And coming soon, I'm gonna try as well as put some volatilities and cryptos to analyze, because I see many guys asking more on volatilities binary. So here is UC. But for now, I'm just doing this. Now this has just been resetting. It's more like a H4 cycle. CAD pairs, you've known. Right. So I was saying CAD, this I've zoomed out. This is H1. But as you can see, there's been some resets. So this level, that was the peak up there. It was the peak, and we saw one drop to this point. It was one drop. This was the second drop. We expected this to be a peak formation low. We can see this was a reset right here. This is H1, and it came down. This is one drop from up there. That is one drop. There is another drop over there. Just excuse that. Smell. Okay, that was the second drop there. All right, the second drop, sorry, on the reset up to there, and this is more of really, it didn't really consolidate, but this is more of really just some railroad tracks there hunting. So basically, what do I see? We can have a sort of a bigger W where we can see price coming back down here, holding, and then going up to the 800. Or it could continue down. But I'll be bullish on UC, but not immediately. We might see a bit of some consolidation between this 121.70 and 12100. But look for buys anyway in this region. Let's just get the actual correct price and see what we have there. Okay, we are looking at, yeah, 121, 120.50.